Hi there, home learning heroes. Welcome back again for another big book. Today we're going to be looking at Unit 11. So, thank you for joining me, and let's take a look at our big book today. Remember, first we'll read through and we'll look at the contents and the words and make sure we understand what's happening. And then I'll go back and we'll read it through again. But this time we'll read it faster with fluency, and you can follow along with me. So today you can see the book, and the title is hilarious. It's called Souperman. Now, you know the comic book character, the hero, Souperman. He has a big S on his chest, and he's very powerful. But that's super. This is soup. S-O-U-P. Soup, like I drink soup. And I can see that there's a chef here with a big spoon, and he must make some good soup. So Souperman is kind of a funny title. All right, let's have a look at the bottom where we have our author, big A for the author, Ben Roberts, and the big I for illustrator, the person who draws the picture, Kim Jones. Good. All right, let's have a look at the book and we'll read through it together. Souperman. All right, follow along with the red dot and we'll read slow. Oh, the first is not really a word, is it? We have to use our phonics. T-A, ta, D-A, da. Ta-da! That's what that says. Let's do it together. Ta-da! I'm Souperman. Chicken soup, seafood soup, salty, spicy, yummy, beef soup, tomato soup, put them in your tummy. That sounds a little bit like a song. There are some rhyming words, and rhyming words have the same sounds in them. Let's look and see if we can find some rhyming words. Can you see some rhyming words with the same ending sound? I see one here. Yummy. Can you see the other word that rhymes with yummy? How about at the end? Tummy. Yummy tummy, yummy tummy. So it is a song or a rhyming. So let's try that a little bit. Let's do it again with a little bit of a song. Ready? Chicken soup, seafood soup, salty, spicy, yummy. Beef soup, tomato soup, put them in your tummy. That's cool. All right. I see some people here and they are thinking. I know they're thinking because they have these little bubbles coming out of their head. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Do you ever see people with bubbles coming out of their head? It means they're thinking, and they're thinking about food. And question marks tell me, they're not sure what to eat. I see lots of different types of food. Let's read. Ready? Here is my restaurant. It has a lot of yummy soup. It's 12 o'clock. Let's have lunch. And I can see in the picture, 12 o'clock is lunchtime. Uh-oh. Do you see anybody in his restaurant? It's empty. How does he feel? He has 1, 2, 3 soups, but no one's there. Let's read. I'm so sad. People do not come to my restaurant. They don't eat my soup. Oh no. What can he do? What would you do? I see he's sitting outside and he sees something. An old lady and an old man. Look at their clothes. What do you notice about their clothes? Are they nice and new? Or are they old and worn? Do you think they have lots of money? Let's read. Here comes a little old man and a little old woman. Oh, look at his pockets. They're empty. Is there any money in his pockets? What about in the lady's coin purse? That's a fly. Is there any coins in there? Let's read. Come in. I have a lot of yummy soup. Oh, poor old man. He doesn't have money to buy soup. What would you do? What should the man do? He doesn't look very angry that they don't have any money. Let's see what he says. Read with me. Oh, poor old woman. She doesn't have money to buy soup. Let me help. Let's have soup together. So he still wants them to enjoy his soup, even though they don't have any money. It's very kind. Whoa! What happened here? Off came the old clothes, and now he has some pretty crazy clothes. Let's read. Ready? Thank you, Superman. You are so kind. Now we can help you too. He's going to help. He was just pretending. Oh, here's that phonics again. T-A, ta, D-A, da. Ready? Ta-da! I'm Noodle Man. Chicken noodles, seafood noodles, salty, spicy, yummy. Beef noodles, pork noodles, put them in your tummy. Wow. Now, I don't think Superman knew that he was Noodle Man, but there he is. And again, you have your song, Yummy Tummy. You can try that one again. All right. And look at this. The little old lady also is a special. She was pretending too. Let's read. Ta-da! I'm Patty Cake. Banana cakes, lemon cakes, sweet, sour, yummy. Chocolate cakes, orange cakes, put them in your tummy. She makes cakes. Patty Cake is her name. And the other man is Noodle Man, and he makes noodles. Wow, what an interesting change to the story. All right, I can see Superman here. He's looking pretty happy. He's got a big spoon, and he's stirring that pot. Let's read what it is. A glass of milk, a bag of flour. What's he making? A packet of sugar. It doesn't taste sour. There's some rhyming words again. Sour. Do you remember what sour rhymes with? Flour. She's making some cakes, and I see Noodle Man over here. He's making a lot of noodles the old-fashioned way. He looks pretty fun. They're all helping. They're helping Superman to set his restaurant. And now it has a name change. Look at the top. It says More Than Soup. So before, with Superman, just soup. But now they have noodles from Noodle Man and cakes from Patty Cake. Let's read. Ready? Here is our new restaurant. How many people are in our restaurant? So when they open, what do you think will happen next? Do you think that lots of people will come to join the restaurant and eat all the wonderful food? Or will they still have nobody to come? Let's find out. I see a menu. I know it's a menu because here it says menu, and then it has the things to buy and the prices of how much they are. Things like chicken soup, tomato soup, beef noodles, pork noodles, and lemon cake and chocolate cake. That sounds like a great lunch menu. Let's read at the bottom. Here is our new menu. How much is our soup? Well, you can answer that. Look at the menu and tell me, how much is the soup? We have chicken soup, and a bowl of chicken soup is $12.50. What about tomato soup? How much is that? $11. Okay. Whoa! Look at all these people. What are they doing waiting in line? And they all have a menu in their hands. That's a lot of people waiting to go to the restaurant. Let's read. Where are all the people going? I bet you know where they're going. To the restaurant of Souperman. Let's read. They are going to dun, 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 our restaurant. Look at that, and they're all very happy. And there's Superman, Noodle Man, and Patty Cake all together. Now we can read it in a bit of a song. Ready? Chicken soup, seafood soup, salty, spicy, yummy. Beef noodles, pork noodles, yummy, yummy, yummy. Banana cakes, lemon cakes, put them in your tummy. Very good. All right, here's a list of our content words. I need you to pause the video and read them all, because a good reader, I bet you can do it. So just go down the list and see if you can read all the content words and all the high frequency words too. Just go ahead and pause the video to read. Now, we're going to go back to the beginning and I'm going to read it with fluency. We're going to read it better and faster. I want you to follow along with me. And something that you could try is turn the volume down real low so you can't hear Mr. Donald. And you try to read it at the same speed and style as me. And that'll be fun. Keep practicing until you can do it as fast as me. Are you ready? Here we go. Superman. Ta-da! I'm Superman. Chicken soup, seafood soup, salty, spicy, yummy. Beef soup, tomato soup, put them in your tummy. Here is my restaurant. It has a lot of yummy soups. It's 12 o'clock. Let's have lunch. I'm so sad. People do not come to my restaurant. They don't eat my soup. Here comes a little old man and a little old woman. Come in. I have a lot of yummy soup. Oh, poor old man. He doesn't have money to buy soup. Oh, poor old woman. She doesn't have money to buy soup. Let me help. Let's have soup together. Thank you, Superman. You are so kind. Now we can help you too. Ta-da! I'm Noodle Man. Chicken noodles, seafood noodles, salty, spicy, yummy. Beef noodles, pork noodles, put them in your tummy. Ta-da! I'm Patty Cake. Banana cakes, lemon cakes, sweet, sour, yummy. Chocolate cakes, orange cakes, put them in your tummy. A glass of milk, a bag of flour, a packet of sugar, it doesn't taste sour. Here is our new restaurant. How many people are in our restaurant? Here is our new menu. How much is our soup? Where are all the people going? They are going to our restaurant. Chicken soup, seafood soup, salty, spicy, yummy. Beef noodles, pork noodles, yummy, yummy, yummy. Banana cakes, lemon cakes, put them in your tummy. Well done. I hope you could read along with me at the same speed. That sounded great. All right, going to our orientation, we need to remember who is in the story, when does it happen, and where does it happen. The big word is orientation. So you can pause the video now and think about answering those 3 questions. Do you know? Can you remember? You can look back if you need to. So who is in the story is our first question. That is Superman, and he has a new restaurant. But there's also 2 other characters. Do you remember their names? Noodle Man and Patty Cake. When does it happen? Well, in a restaurant at noon, lunchtime, and where I answered in the restaurant. Next, we have events. What events happen? I remember that nobody came to Superman's restaurant, and he was very sad. And then an old woman and an old man came, but they didn't have any money. that was okay. Superman gave him the soup anyway. Now we have a problem. What is the problem of a story? Nobody's coming to his restaurant because they only have soup. And then at the end, how does it end? We call that resolution. The resolution, how is the problem solved, or is it solved? In this story, it ends with a happy ending because Noodle Man, with his kindness of giving soup, had Noodle Man and Patty Cake to help him in his restaurant. And together, they made a very happy restaurant with lots of people. And that's the end of our story. Well done. Thank you so much for joining me with another big book. Please come back again soon and join me for another. Until then, goodbye.